Hello folks. Well, today I'm going to try and clear up a couple of questions, and they're good questions that many of my subscribers have been asking of me. You know, first of all, there are 3 settings for the power output on the DX6i Spektrum transmitter. Many may not even know that. Well, the first is the United States, second is the United Kingdom, and 3 is France. So doing the test as fair and equal as I could, here is how I went about it and the results. I used an inexpensive NightFlyyer orange receiver for this. The way we're going to do this is I've got everything in the can, plane finder in here and a servo, and I've got the antenna, short orange RC receiver. Lots of signal, that's what happens. See that? And you're going to hear that on here. Okay, so we're going to go out and check the ranges. That's the setup. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the transmit for this. Set that in there. Everything's working. Okay, whoops, lid on. Let's go for a walk. Let's see how far we can go. Out of range. Alright, we're going to change the setting now to Europe. Here we go, backing up. Out of range. Exactly the same. Alright, we're on the France setting now. Okay, exactly the same place. Walk. See how far we get before this thing runs out of range. USA setting. Definitely out of range right there. Alright. Okay. We're on a UK setting. See how far we get. That's not much difference. United Kingdom setting. Yeah, that's it. 10 feet difference. Alright, we're going to set it to France. France is shortest of all. The difference is between there and right here. That's it. Well, remember, the range is going to be higher than what I'm showing here when the receiver is actually in the air and flying and not in the can. But the difference between the USA and France is 43 feet line of sight, and the USA and the United Kingdom is only 31 feet difference. And this is all flat on the ground in the can. So even though that's negligible, Jeff asked me the question for which I really don't have an answer. And that is, why would they put these power limits in the transmitter when there's such a little difference? And why would a person in France or the United Kingdom not simply switch their switch to the USA for the most range? If they did, would the RC police come and get them? I don't know. Okay, let's clear up another controversy with a real test. You know, those who say my battery backup switch can't handle the load, even after I flew over an hour using it and it never even got hot, I'm going to go ahead and present the temperature readings to prove the switch never even gets warm. Neither do the wires. Only the battery temperatures go up and the motor temperatures. I couldn't reach the speed control, but I'm not worried about that. Okay, here's a few of the temperature readings to test the temperature sensor before the test. And you can see for yourself how it works. The point is, if you have an idea, don't be so soon to dismiss it, because if it sounds stupid on paper, but it works in real life, It ain't stupid. I ran the motor on a 3 amp battery for 15 minutes, and here's the readings just before starting and the results after the run. Well, you can see that switch temperature didn't go up at all. Not even the slightest bit warm. The batteries are warm. That's it. Not going to hurt that switch. So here's my conclusion. The 5 amp switch, which I've jumpered to make 10 amps, works just fine and with no increase in heat or resistance, as you can see with this last reading. You know, your results may vary a little bit, but this is a relative test, and I hope you can use this information however you see fit. This is the NightFlyyer 10-4, over and out. Good luck. Happy flying.